Hi, if you are managing an enterprise data center, then you need to know your storage controller modes. Let's break down how your servers actually talk to their disk. First is the IDE mode. This is the legacy version and it is from the old parallel ATA era. You won't see its use for today's workload. Second is the AHCI mode. This mode is typically used for simple standalone boot drives. AHCI unlocks two key features: native command queuing and CQ, which lets the drive reorder, read, and write commands on the fly for faster performance. And second is the hot plugging, which means you can physically swap a drive in or out without turning off the server. Third is the smart array RAID mode. This uses a dedicated hardware controller with its own processor to combine drives. Its use case is handling all data redundancy and performance enhancement directly and completely offloading that heavy lifting from server's main CPU. Last is the HPE Passthrough mode. This mode strips away the hardware logic, giving the OS direct and raw control over the individual disks. Its primary use case is software-defined storage. If you are running environments like Ceph, VMware, vSAN, or ZFS, hardware RAID or software-defined storage. What is your rack running? Drop a comment below and hit subscribe for more enterprise. Drop a comment below and hit subscribe for more enterprise tech.